Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Expedia, and in this video I'm going to show you the difference between designer and the editor mode. So there are two primary differences. So first, in designer mode you have access to the entire website and you can make any changes you want, whether it's animation, custom code, whatever you want. You can make all the changes within designer mode. But when it's come to editor mode, you can only change the content and the images and things like that. You don't have access to customize section, customize pages, things like that. You can only change the content of your website. The second difference is with designer mode, only one person at a time can make the changes. But when it's come to editor, multiple people at the same time can make the changes in the website. The third difference is about the pricing. So with designer mode, like if you want to provide access to designer mode to one of your team member, it will cost you $28 per month per member. And for editor mode, it's actually free up to 3 members, and you can increase that up to 10 members. You just have to pay for different plan. And other than that, in the following videos, I will show you whether we are using the designer mode or editor mode to make that particular task. So as you can see here, these are all the videos I'm making right now. And here in the tags, you will find out whether we are using the designer mode or whether we are using the editor mode. So I hope this helped. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.